Hello everyone. Research Department of English is offering the paper entitled Prose for Effective Communication for Semester 1 as Paper 1. Objective of this paper is to enable the learners to develop the language ability, to enable the learners to understand and appreciate the text, to enable the learners to improve their comprehension. This is Dr. R. Manimoli, Assistant Professor of English, ADM College for Women, Nagapatnam. Text prescribed Effective Communication, an anthology of modern English prose, edited by Dr. R. Anandan. A handbook of English grammar with usage and composition, edited by Dr. H. M. Williams and Dr. B. Saraswati. Unitized syllabus. Unit 1 On Earth One Family by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Literature and Science by John Middleton Murray, Tight Corners by E.V. Lucas. Unit 2 What Are the Elixir of Life by C.V. Raman, The Art of Telling Tales by April Hesse, The Panorama of India's Past by Jawaharlal Nehru. Unit 3 Only Then Shall We Find Courage by Albert Einstein, Michael Goes Climbing from the Children's Encyclopedia. Unit 4 A Job Well Done by Ruskin Bond, Crime and Punishment by R.K. Narayan. Unit 5 is for grammar, parts of speech, sentence pattern, transformation of sentences, comprehension and letter writing. Objective of this paper. Prose provide us with more than the immediate interest of narrative of something happening and more than the pleasures of imagination. They enlarge our understanding of ourselves and deepen our appreciation of life. Prose is a form of language that has no formal metrical structure. It applies a natural flow of speech and ordinary grammatical structure rather than rhythmic structure, such as in the case of traditional poetry. William Tyndale. He is the father of English prose. Prose is a communicative style that sounds natural and uses grammatical structure. Prose. It is a literary piece which is written in the pattern of ordinary spoken language and within the common flow of conversation. The word prose is derived from the Latin word prosa, which means straightforward. Types of prose. Non-fiction. This can be called informational material. It provides information that is factual. Nothing is made believe in these types of materials. It has some practical utility. More specific examples of this genre would be biographies, autobiographies, and histories. Now, biographies. Biographies, a true account of a person's life written, composed, or produced by another. Autobiographies, the biography of a person written by that person itself. Histories, a chronological record of past events and developments. Fiction, it is partly or totally imaginatively contrived. However, authors can also choose to include factual information in a made up story. It is often referred to as narrative prose, prose which tells a story. Its different types include historical fiction. The story takes the reader back to a particular time period where they learn about the everyday life of a person or group of persons. The character may interact with actual historical characters, but usually the main character is not based on a real person. Elements of prose. The basic elements of prose are character, setting, plot, point of view, and mood. Character refers to biographical information, personality traits, social roles, and psychological factors such as aspirations, fears, and personal values. Novels, textbooks, and newspaper articles are the examples of prose. Prose is a form of technique of language that exhibits a natural flow of speech and grammatical structure. Prose is the ordinary form of the written spoken language. It is not poetry. It does not use any special format such as lists or tables. It is similar to everyday communication. Unit 1, On Earth One Family by Radhakrishnan, is Need of the Hour. It is about unity of human beings. And second prose, Literature and Science by John Middleton Murray, stresses the everlasting influence of literature on human lives. Literature inspires and enables humanity. Tight Corners, written by E.V. Lucas. It's a story taken from the short story collection Giving and Receiving. Thank you everyone for listening. Thank you.